Hi there, this is Ayush from LightsClimb, and today we're going to talk about using machine learning for real-world DFOS data. So this is a very basic video, and it doesn't cover what are the challenges that happens for machine learning on huge data sets like DFOS. We do have other content for it, so you can check those out. Uh, so machine learning has two stages. One is a training phase, and one is an inference phase. Uh, the first step is figuring out, for example, if you want thunderstorm detection, footstep detection, and construction activities, uh, you want to monitor those activities, make sure that the optical fiber is around those activities, around the areas that you want to monitor. Uh, you want to make sure that you have an integrator, which is basically the sensing of the system. So the data, it collects the data from the optical fibers, and this is the data which you can analyze uh, to tell if there's a drilling happening or not, or if there's a thunderstorm happening or not, stuff like that. Uh, you also need to store some of this data, uh, and you want to label this data because uh, labeling is basically, when you label, you need to make sure that it is closely tied to the problem statement. What this means, like, if you are doing a drilling activity, uh, if you want to know when and where it's happening, you need to make sure that the channels where you see and the timestamp where you see the drilling activity is mentioned during labeling. The next step is training the models. You might need to go back to labeling if the models are not good or if the labeling is bad, and then you need to make the models ready for deployment, which is saying that you're optimizing the models for deployment. It makes it faster and stuff like that. uh, Now Lights Client can help you with all of the machine learning related steps. So talking about inference, you have your optical fibers laid out, you have your DAS integrator or any kind of integrator which is taking the data from optical fibers. The next step is uh, the data from this fiber goes to two places. One is the NAS server, that's the storage, and it can directly go to the deployed model, which would give you the location of, for example, drilling uh, in real time, and uh, we can build systems to alert the person of interest in these cases. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to info@lightscline.com, and we can help you build your machine learning systems for the DFOS applications. Thank you.